If you're a single parent struggling to make ends meet, you need to hear this. Passive income online is easier than ever. With TikTok stepping aside in the US, the spotlight is now on YouTube and Instagram. And guess what? This is the perfect time to dive into the world of digital marketing. Imagine earning money while you sleep. That's what passive income can do for you. Monthly recurring revenue, or MRR, means you get to keep 100% of your profits every month. It's like having a steady paycheck without the 9-to-5 grind. For single moms and dads, this can be a game changer. Think about finally affording that family vacation or paying off those bills. Using social platforms to market products, both physical and digital, has never been easier. You can get monetized just for sharing content and engaging with your followers. So why wait? Start your journey to financial freedom today. Your future self will thank you.